How to create a Valorant account. Complete Beginner Guide. Valorant is one of the most popular tactical shooters in the world right now, and the best part, it is completely free to play. If you have never played before and want to get started, I'll walk you through creating your account and getting into your first match in under 2 minutes. Let's go. Welcome back, I'm Daniel, and today we're covering the Complete Beginner Guide to creating your very own Valorant account from scratch. No experience needed, just follow these steps and you will be ready to play in minutes. Before we start, here is one thing you need to know. Valorant runs through the Riot Games platform. So when you create a Riot Games account, you automatically get access to Valorant plus other Riot titles like League of Legends and Teamfight Tactics, all with one single login. Now let's get into it. Step 1, open your browser and go to the official Riot Games website. You can get there by searching Riot Games in Google and clicking the official result. Make sure you are on the real Riot Games website to avoid scam or phishing sites. Step 2, once you are on the Riot Games homepage, look for the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, this will take you to the account creation page. Step 3, enter a valid email address. This is important because Riot will send a verification link to this email, and you will also use it to recover your account if you ever get locked out. Use an email address you actually have access to. Step 4, enter your date of birth. Riot Games requires this step to verify your age and comply with their policies. Make sure you enter your real date of birth accurately. Step 5, choose your Riot ID. This is your in-game name that other players will see when you play. Pick something unique and memorable. The good news is you can change this later if you want to update it. Step 6, create a strong password. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it as secure as possible. A strong password protects your account from unauthorized access. Step 7, check your email inbox for a verification email from Riot Games. Open it and click the verification link inside to confirm and activate your account. Also check your spam folder if you do not see it arrive within a few minutes. Step 8, once your account is verified, go back to the Riot Games website and download the Riot Client installer. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. Step 9, once the Riot Client is installed, open it and log in using the Riot ID and password you just created. From inside the client, find Valorant, click Install, and let the game download fully. The download size is around 20 gigabytes, so make sure you have enough space on your device. Step 10, once Valorant finishes downloading, hit launch, log in, and you are inside the game. Complete the tutorial, explore the agents, and get ready for your first match. Pro tip, as soon as your account is set up, go to your Riot account settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds a second layer of security to your account so that even if someone gets your password, they still cannot access your account without your approval. It takes less than 2 minutes to set up, and it is one of the most important things you can do to protect everything you earn in the game. And that is it, your Valorant account is fully created, verified, and ready to go. Completely free, completely official, and set up the right way from day one. If this beginner guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming tutorials every week. Are you brand new to Valorant or coming back after a break? Drop a comment below, I would love to know. It's been Daniel, see you in the next one.